Good morning, friends. Today we will go for the next topic. Before going for the next topic, let us revise what we have seen in the previous lecture. Yesterday we have seen the types of leveling, the type number 4, which is profile leveling, and the last type is cross-section leveling. After going for or after learning the types of leveling, the next part of today's lecture will be the how to do the adjustments of your instruments. In previous lecture we have seen that we are having two types of adjustment. First one is permanent adjustment and second one is temporary adjustment. Now for the permanent adjustment we are having the basic relation, or which is also called as the fundamental relation between the lines, that can be done from the manufacturer's point of view, that cannot be done in from our end. So it should be, we can check whether the instrument is in permanent adjustment or not, but we cannot perform the permanent adjustment of the instrument. That can be done from the manufacturer's end. Now what left with us is the temporary adjustment. So let us see how to do the temporary adjustment. When we keep the instrument onto the ground, at each and every number of times we have to do the temporary adjustment. So first of all, let us see what is the temporary adjustment, and then we will see the procedure to do the temporary adjustment of any leveling instrument. The instrument might be the temporary level, instrument might be the auto level. Okay, so let us start with the today's lecture. So please give heading adjustments of a level. First one is the temporary adjustment and second one is your permanent adjustment. One by one we will see how to do the temporary adjustment, and we will see the test to check whether your instrument is in permanent adjustment or not. Definitely we will see why we can say that it is a permanent adjustment, because when we manufacture the instrument, manufacturer will provide the basic relation between the three lines, and if your instrument fulfills that particular fundamental relations, then we can say that your instrument is in permanent adjustment. But somehow when we use that instrument for number of years, after some years there might be a few errors which may occur or which may result in the wrong readings or wrong observations. So at least we have to check whether the instrument is in permanent adjustment or not. Okay, so first we will see today what is exactly the temporary adjustment and how to perform the temporary adjustment. Okay, so please give heading the temporary adjustment of the level. Now in temporary adjustment of level, we are having 6 basic steps. So let us list out those 6 steps. First one is selection of the instrument station. Second one is fixing the instrument on tripod stand. Third step in the temporary adjustment is bringing the bubble at the center of its run by using the legs, by using the three legs of a tripod stand, which is called as approximate wave.